Alrighty, almost finished graphing. Let's do g. Y equals 4 cosine of x plus pi. No coefficient on x, therefore the period is normal, 2 pi. The frequency is normal, 1 over 2 pi, the reciprocal. And now let's graph it. So, normal period, 2 pi, split in half, pi, split in half, pi over 2. Split it in 3 quarters, 3 pi over 2. And now we're graphing 4 times the cosine of x plus pi. So give yourself a positive 4 and a negative 4 for that amplitude. And now x plus pi means start this graph pi to the left. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. I'll give myself 2 tick marks here, so I get a negative pi and a negative pi over 2. That way I can start my graph pi to the left. Well, if I'm starting pi to the left and I'm doing a cosine, it starts at its maximum value, so I will show my maximum value there, and now I will just simply oscillate through these values like that. So there we have that. I'm going to keep going a little bit farther to show you something. I could do that and down like that. So if you focus on this graph starting at the x value of 0 and then going through its cycle like that, what you should notice is that this actually ended up being a normal negative cosine graph. So y equals negative 4 cosine of x is equivalent to that x plus pi, because we rotated half a period, and that essentially made the function negative. Maybe you can think about the symmetry on the unit circle to explain why that is.